So we have identified about 4 types of support for all of our students as well as institutions of higher learning. The very first one is our support towards international students that are studying abroad. A decision was taken to support these students with an amount of $250, a once-off payment. So the process has started. We have already paid a number of them. They are applying on our online platforms. If you go onto our website, you will be able to do so. The second one was that we couldn't assist students if institutions of higher learning are not ready and prepared in terms of the e-learning platforms. We are assisting NUST with the upgrade in terms of their infrastructure, and as Dr. Mas has alluded to, also the hyperconvergence. We are grateful and thankful to the University of Namibia because they've agreed to assist other institutions to come on board. Then we decided that it's important to assist our students. So we have made a commitment to assist our students with a portable device that would allow them, that have an access of a 10 gig data. The 10 gig data is divided in 2. So that if our students, the 5 gig, they should be is dedicated towards e-learning platforms, registered on our e-learning platforms, and the rest of the other 5 gig is for research and any other activities. Because when they are at the institutions of higher learning, they are able to access it from the institutions of higher learning. We've deemed so because also it will help institutions of higher learning to capacitate whatever they would have to upload on their platforms. We've worked very well with our other state-owned enterprises like Telecom. This package is almost for the whole year. So if it starts in August or in September, students will still have access to a 10 gig on a monthly basis for the rest of the year. If they finish their data and so on, based on our studies, we've realized that the 10 gig is quite sufficient. But if it doesn't, then students would have to acquire that on their own. So these facilities or this infrastructural support for students I need to mention that it is heavily subsidized. Heavily subsidized that in the sense that they would acquire this at a discounting rate of 50%, whatever the amount is. We already have the amount for the devices, which costed us around about 700 Namibian dollars, but students are going to get it for 345 Namibian dollars. So that is the kind of support that we are providing because it enhances quality of education to higher education.